Divide 771 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting we get 0. So 771 divided by 3 is 257. So this much for today and thanks for watching.